The company Schmincke Artist Colors was founded in 1881. The first product has been MUSSINI, the worldwide unique resin oil color, named after Cesare Mussini, the Italian founder of this paint. With this, you can already recognize how important oil colors are for our company, as it has been the first product. Today, I would like to show you how our artist product, Norma Professional, and the worldwide unique resin oil color MUSSINI are produced. Hello, my name is Markus Baumgart and I'm responsible for sales and marketing at Schmincke. Today I would like to show you how we produce our artist oil colors, and I hope at the end of this clip you will understand what makes up the good qualities of our oil colors. All starts here at the so-called dissolver. Here all ingredients are carefully mixed together at different speed and length, depending on the color shade. In our oil colors Norma Professional and our resin oil colors MUSSINI, we use numerous pigments from all over the world, organic and unorganic ones, as well as different oils, like linseed oil, sunflower oil, and also some safflower or poppy oil. In MUSSINI, also selected resins. This combination of oils is necessary to achieve the best possible characteristics of the oil color: a balanced drying time, high light fastness, and no yellowing. Now, as everything is mixed together, the next production step will follow. Schmincke oil colors need to be milled. This is necessary to achieve a very homogeneous result so that the pigments and binder unite in the best way possible. I would like to introduce to you my colleague Anja Dutch. She is responsible for this 3-cylinder mill made of steel for 27 years. And it's fair to say that she feels and breathes Schmincke Artist oil colors. She takes a great pride in producing them. In the first step, the mill is charged with the paint that has been mixed. Then the paint is running through the 3 rolls and later can be taken off here with a spatula. This process is repeated a second time. It is very time consuming, but worth it. Now the tubes could be filled. However, we do it a 3rd time for Norma Professional and even a 4th time for MUSSINI resin oil colors to achieve the perfect fusion between pigment and binder. Now the colors will be filled into buckets in order to do another process in producing the artist oil colors, the ripening. Here you can see hundreds of buckets of oil colors, which are ripening for 3 to 4 months. Why are we doing this additional and not necessary production step? Well, you probably know when you take an oil color and you open it, it can happen that a huge drop of oil is coming out. We absolutely want to avoid that. That's why they are ripening. Now I would like to show you what's happening during the ripening process. There is always a surplus of oil that is creeping up to the top because it has a lower density than the pigment. After 3 to 4 months, the excess of oil is settling on the top of the paint. That is skimmed off, and only then the paint is filled into the tube. This assures that there is the maximum amount of finest ground oil color in the tube. I really hope that I was able to explain to you a little bit what makes the Schmincke oil colors so special. This is first of all due to the use of the best possible raw materials, pigments in the highest concentration, and the best possible combination of oils. But it is also the manufacturing process and the fact that we are milling the colors 3 or sometimes even 4 times. And last but not least, they are ripening. Now it's time to wish you a lot of joy in oil painting.